Good morning students. In today's video we are going to learn about the formula tab of Excel window. In last video we had learned about page layout tab of Excel window. Same way today in this video we are going to learn about formula tab of Excel window and the groups available under the formula tab. So let us start with the formula tab. We use the formula tab to insert functions, define names, create name ranges, review formulas. In Ribbon, Formulas tab has very important and most useful functions to make dynamic reports. Formula tab is divided among 4 groups. First, function library. Second, define names. Third, formula auditing. Fourth, calculation. Now students, we are going to learn more information about these groups. In that first group is function library. In a function library, we can get more options. Now one by one, we are going to see the options available under function library. In that first option, insert functions. With the help of this option, we can edit the function formula of the current cell and insert the new function in the new cell. Apart from this, we can take offline help related to the function. Next option is AutoSum. With the help of this option, we can automatically add a range in the sheet in which the number data is written. Next option is recently used. In this option, functions are found which have been used recently. Next option, financial. Under financial options, the various options are available. When you select the drop down, the options like PMT, PV, FV, etc. Next option under function library is logical. Logical functions are available in this option. The functions like and, or, not, if, etc. Next option, text. In this option, functions related to text are found like lower, upper, proper, len, etc. Next option, date and time. In this option, functions related to date and time are available like date, date value, day 360, today, now, etc. Next option under function library is lookup and reference. With the help of this option, we can use the function in sheet related to lookup and reference such as HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, etc. Next option is math and trig. In this option, formulas related to math and trigonometry are available like x round, fact, square root, GCD, LCM, etc. Next option is more functions. In this option, functions related to static, engineering, cube and information are available like average, count, max, mean, etc. Now these all about the function library. Now we will move to the next option. Next option is defined names. In defined names group, the following options are available. In that first one, name manager. Create, edit, delete and find all the names used in the workbook. The keyboard shortcut to access the name manager is Ctrl plus F3. The next option under defined names group is defined name. Name cells so that you can refer to them in formulas by that name. For example, you might name the cells A20 to A40 expenses. Name can be used in formulas to make them easier to understand. Next option is use in formula. Choose a name used in the workbook and insert it into the current formula. Next option is create from selection. Automatically generates names from the selected cells. Many people use the text in the top row or the leftmost column of the selection. The keyboard shortcut to create from selection is Ctrl plus Shift plus F3. So student, this is all about the defined names group. Now we will move to the next group. The next group under formula tab is formula auditing. In formula auditing groups, the various options are available. Now we are going to learn one by one. The first, trace precedence. This will show arrows that indicate what cells affect the value of the currently selected cell. Next option is trace dependence. This will show arrows that indicate what cells are affected by the value of the currently selected cell. Next option under formula auditing group is remove arrows. This will remove the arrows drawn by trace precedence or trace dependence. Next option, show formulas. Display the formula in each cell instead of the resulting value. Next option is error checking. Check for common errors that occur in formulas. Next option under formula editing group is evaluate formula. Launch the evaluate formula dialog box to debug a formula by evaluating each part of the formula individually. Next option is watch window. Monitors the values of certain cells as changes are made to the sheet. The values are displayed in a separate window that remains visible regardless of what area of the workbook is shown. So students, this is all about the formula auditing group of formula tab. Now students, we will move to the next and the last group, that is calculation. Under calculation group, the different options are available. In that first option is calculation options. Specify when formulas are calculated. By default, anytime you change a value that affects other values, the new values are calculated immediately. Next option is calculate now. Calculate the entire workbook now. This is only necessary if automatic calculation has been turned off. The keyboard shortcut to calculate now is F9. Next option under calculation group is calculate sheet. Calculate the current sheet now. This is only necessary if automatic calculation has been turned off. The keyboard shortcut to create sheet is Shift plus F9. So students, this is all about the formula tab of Excel window. Students, I hope you all have understood whatever taught today about the formula tab and its different groups. Thank you. Have a nice day.